Under oath, Deputy Stravinsky draws for your lead. Love or Money now moving up to take the lead. Diamond Dane comes next. Running by the rail, Lady Cugat, followed by Don Eduardo's Best. Second last, Royal Viva, and Exceptional Angel is running at the tail of the field, passing the last 800. Love or Money in command, followed now by Diamond Dane. Lady Cugat is by the rail. Don Eduardo's Best. Deputy Stravinsky moving up. Exceptional Angel and Royal Viva past the last 600. Diamond Dane on the outside. Love or Money down on the inside. Then comes Lady Cougar in third as they turn for home. Diamond Dane now in command, followed by Love or Money. Moving up is Royal Viva. Lady Cougar with the last 150 more to run. We have Diamond Dane, Royal Viva now moving up on the outside to take the lead. And finally, it's going to be Royal Viva. Diamond Dane, Lady Cougar close between Exceptional Angel and Love or Money. Then comes Deputy Stravinsky and Don Eduardo's Best.